You won't believe what your next car might be. Hint, it's Chinese. I'm Om Vinayak Gupta. Let's go. Did you know your next car might be Chinese? And you'll love it? Wait, before you scroll, I'm about to spill some tea. If you think Chinese cars are just knockoffs, you're basically living in 2014. This isn't Wish.com on wheels. Touchscreens bigger than my future, self-parking features, and price tags that make Teslas look like a scam. Let me hit you with a meme. Here's the wild part. Chinese EVs are selling like hotcakes everywhere except the US. Because every time a new BYD drops or NIO drops, car execs in Detroit start sweating like they just saw gas hit $10 a gallon. But for real, you ever wanted a car that drives itself, charges your phone, and even has a built-in karaoke machine? Mic drop. My guy, China's building cars that are basically rolling iPhones. And if you still think, nah, it's all cheap junk, scroll through TikTok. Those viral $10,000 luxury EV videos? Not a myth. Even Elon Musk is like, bruh, they're coming for my job. Here's a poll. Would you trust a Chinese car over a Tesla? Drop A in the comments if you would. But wait, plot twist. US dealerships are scrambling. Some are importing Chinese cars under new names. So you could already be driving a Chinese car and not even know it. By the way, if this blows your mind, hit like and subscribe for more wild car truths. You might even get a free meme in your inbox. And here's my hot take. In 5 years, your neighbor's new ride might be a NIO, not a Nissan. If you snooze, you lose. Did you catch that Easter egg? Go back and watch again. There's a hidden meme. Drop your favorite car emoji in the comments and let's start the great car debate. See you in the next one, and remember, don't get left behind in the car revolution. Thanks for watching. Just kidding. One more thing. In 5 years, your garage might look totally different. Subscribe if you don't want FOMO. Vote in the poll. Are Chinese cars coming for the crown? Also, who knew cars had karaoke, right? I sound terrible. Wait, did you spot the hidden meme at 046? Rewind and catch it, then tell me below. Features: massive screens, self-park, rolling iPhone. Price: wallet-friendly, jaw-dropping. Availability everywhere but US for now. Don't get left behind. Get curious, not car curious. See you next ride. Click here for more. Watch this one next.